Elanel Egot Ordidor has no regrets about criticizing President Duterte online. She is a Filipino working as a caregiver in Taiwan who was threatened with deportation by the Philippines labor attaché. Ordidor told ABS-CBN News she sees no need to apologize over her Facebook post. She noted social media personalities identified with Duterte never said sorry when they bashed Vice President Leni. The Philippines labor attaché in Taichung moved for Ordidor's deportation. Taiwan, however, rejected it.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.